received a letter from you that says the Honorable Chief Minister in his meeting with Chimbal villagers held on has directed to conduct a joint site inspection of the land in survey number 40/1 to examine the zone of influence and drainage lines of Toyar Lake. That is not what is stated in your letter. Your letter differs from what our demand was. That is what our concern is. If you can really, if I can suggest, state in this letter, float another letter, very clearly stating that you are going to do the examination of the entire wetland plus the zone of influence. That itself will resolve our
I'm
issue.
telling you, no.
You stating it, sir, and you writing it is a different story, you know.
Writing letters.
Right.
It was a very clear discussion. Honorable CM changed it. He ordered. Right? I was a spectator. I was hearing.
Yes,
right?
yes.
It was decided that your contention was that NIO area is more what has been declared in there.
Yes.
And that has not been marked.
Yes.
Correct? Is it?
Yes,
correct?
yes.
Then we said that our land is far away. This discussion was happening.
Exactly.
What CM said? Please demarcate the entire wetland.
Correct.
Okay, whatever is declared by the NIO.
Absolutely.
Correct? That will be done.
So,
Okay, wait.
that is not
Then
being
wait.
reflected in that letter.
No, this I'm telling you, no. I'm the in charge. I'm the in charge. Listen to me. Secondly, the zone of influence, the way and the entire area will be completed, and we'll also demarcate the 40/1 which we are the owner, means government is the
No
owner.
problem.
That happens.
Yes.
That how much it comes here. That's it.
Right.
Apart from that, what other survey numbers are covering?
Yes.
That means NIO thing will be marked. Plus this will be marked.
I
Only
will-
my duty is to limit it to that.
I am agreeing with you.
Then-
What you are stating is not getting reflected in your letter,
We
sir.
will give a
Give me a correction, sir.
Yeah,
You can give me a
I'll
correction.
we will do the survey,
No,
ma'am.
sir.
No, we are not
Sir,
associated.
correction.
सर किती आता पळय हे टॉयर लेक रिस्ट्रिक्टेड टू 40/1 म्हणून ना हायस्ट पॉईंट टॉयर लेकाचो आता तलावून 160 मीटर्स खबर आहा एस्मल्टा 100 मीटर्स मरायेच्या 96 मीटर्स आणि गोवा इलेक्ट्रिक डिपार्टमेंटचा कॉम्प्लेक्स आता 92 मीटर्स तुम्ही आता लेटर किती म्हणता यात करतले म्हणता म्हणजे 40/1
44 मनानं था साहेब ते
म्हणजे हे ना हे तलावून 60 मिटून 160 आसा
Against your own notification.
160 आसा 42 टून आसा सगळे आसा अशें ना 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 तो
Sir, I believe you are
One
wetland,
हय
sir.
नोटिफिकेशन
wetland.
Mr. Sarmukhadan.
नाही असं सर आम्ही मेमोरंडम फुल रिवायज मागला आम्ही तलावी आसा सर ते आसा सर्वे नंबर ते सोडून
तुम्ही स्टार्ट करता
ना 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 हायस्ट पॉईंट तो
We cannot start, sir, when the scope is not
तुमकां जाता तर तुम्ही बसले करू
Scope is
शकना
not
न्हू
clear. No. The scope of work is not clear. Look at this. This is the village. This is the survey number.
बरोबर ते ड्रॉइंग
Yes. Yes. Under which law? Sir, which law?
2017 wetland conservation management rules 2017
Where? Can you show me in the rules that it is divided into urban and pristine?
it's a decision of the wetland authority
So where is there a document?
minuted document
Can a minuted document become a law?
it's a decision of the wetland authority first decision
Sir,
असते तुम्ही
you have to, sir, with due respect to you,
बस
with due respect to you, with due respect, you have to amend the rules. You have to amend the rules.
तुमका किती सांगलेला आम्ही सर
ते
फुल आख्खे रिवाइज आहे आमका आमची डिमांडची मेमोरंड आमचं फर्स्ट डिमांडच किती आहे सांगतो वाचून लागेल आमच्याकडे वाचून लागेल तर दाखवत आमची फर्स्ट डिमांड in light of the conflict report or absence of regularity to conduct fresh and comprehensive scientific to air
Which
lake
sir has agreed. Which
Agreed,
CM
केलं
sir
ते
has
not only
agreed.
40
थोड़ा कम फॉर नो मैम
40/1 restrict करू शकना
I'll correct it and give.
there is no
Listen to me. Please listen to me.
Yes.
This is the 40/1 survey. I'm saying that it is 40/1. Portion of the wetland comes here, portion of the wetland comes here, portion of the wetland comes here also as per the NIO report, right? All these things we are going to map.
Sir, this NIO report that you have, there are two conflicting NIO reports. That's the reason that you have written it.
Listen to me. Until unless we demarcate one, other will not. Demarcation is not a final decision. Listen to me.
Yes.
The decision is left to Honorable CM. Until unless we demarcate, he will not be able to take care of it.
Exactly.
So that's why I've been saying to please demarcate
Yes.
Come back. He'll again call you for the meeting. That time you discuss what you
We
want
are
to
in
discuss.
support of you of demarcating.
Then allow me to do it now.
However, we are saying
40 bar
you
also.
take a fresh, what
What
we
you
are
want?
asking for, fresh inspection of the entire wetland, whatever survey numbers are coming within that, and the zone of influence.
I'll write
That's-
on in a letter.
So that
you give us a letter
sir,
from your
म्हाका एकूच सांग
No,
sir.
he's agreeing to it. He's agreeing. Officially, you give it to us. So we have given you this letter. We have sent this letter.
I'll give it to you.
Yeah, letter is there.
This letter we have given.
Letter is there.
ना ना
That letter
आम्ही
does
लेटर
not
दिला ते
reflect
तुमका
it,
पाहू ना
sir.
In that letter only I write and give no.
तशें कशें जातलें सर ना तशें ना
नाही
You
सर,
want to give a
आणि-
fresh
आणि-
letter?
आणि- आणि
If you
दुसरी-
can issue a fresh letter, sir, this is your letter. This is your letter, which is so inadequate, sir. That is our difficulty.
No, I'll clarify and give this. In addition to this, I'll give.
Yes, please, if you can
Yeah, I'll
issue a
give it.
letter, then
Let
we
us
can.
start.
No, we have to call our. We cannot call our hydrologists and we cannot call our experts based on your inadequate letter, sir. It is not reflecting our demand at all.
नाही, आणि कसं असतं डॉक्टर
Developer. See, we are trying to solve this.
तुम्ही इतकी घाई करू नका
नाही काय प्रश्न
नाही नाही तुम्ही सगळी इतकी घाई करूनच कळ्यानी वाट लागला पै काही नाही वाट
What
कशी
is that
लागली
you want now?
नाही
Sir, if
सर
you
सर
Okay, now
let-
listen.
Forget.
Clarification I'll give. Okay,
Yes.
next one.
That is all. That is all. Once you give us that letter, we will call our experts, call everybody, and we will contact.
त्यांका बावड्यात तुम्ही त्रासान घातलो
No problem.
त्यांका
No
बावड्यात त्रासान
difficulty.
कशा घातले तुम्ही सांग पळया तेणी म्हटलंय आम्ही जेन्ना तांकां कळयलें हांगासर सर कितें म्हणून की अशें अशें हांगासर चल्लां म्हणून तेंच्यांनी म्हाका कितें म्हटलें की आपूण हेच्या भायर हें करूं ना खंयच्या हितून आपले हें बफर झोनाच्या हेच्या बफर झोनाच्या हितून न्ही सर सर लेट मी क्लियर ओके
See, see.
सरान कितें म्हटलें
Wait,
म्हाका
wait.
बफर आणि तुम्ही ताणी जे
This
पळय
we have
लेटर
been
आसा
talking
न्हू
so many times.
Yes, sir. We will not.
मागीर
get
तुम्ही
into
तेजी
it.
एनओसी म्हणून कशी कन्सिडर करता तेका बावड्यात त्रासान कसो घालता तुम्ही
No problem. No problem. If you
Sir,
can just issue
तुमका
a
खबर आसा?
letter
I'll
with
give.
this
तुमका खबर
direction,
आसा
I will give this
हां
copy. to
सगळ्यात
the
तुमका कोट करता ते
Just highlighting exactly this. This is what we asked for. Fresh inspection of the entire wetland as well as the zone of influence.
हायस्ट पॉइंट आता सर हायस्ट पॉइंट
But that is not reflecting in the letter, sir.
I'll
That is
give
our
letter
difficulty.
now. Today only
You
I'll
give
give.
the letter, sir. No problem.
I'll give.
You give, sir.
I'll give it. I'll give it today.
No problem.
No, I'll ask them to draft and give it to you. It's not the issue.
You can just send them this
But
portion.
you are not interested in getting it done?
No,
Or
we
you
are
interested?
interested.
we are
want it,
interested.
sir.
Then you get it done.
That's
No,
one
sir.
of our demands.
Sir, sir.
Saibaba,
एकूच तुका सांगता
Madam, listen.
Yes.
When Honorable CM came,
Yes.
none of the government department insisted for pushing the project, right?
Yes.
We are hearing only you.
Yes, sir.
He said with all the respect to the that I'll get it done.
Yes, sir.
And thereafter, after having a meeting with him, he'll take it on.
Absolutely.
Is it right or not?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes.
let the work proceed. Now that you want for the purpose
We
of
first want
this
that letter,
thing,
sir.
it will not be done in one day. It will take 2-3 days survey. No?
That's not a problem. I'm just seeking a letter at this
I will
point
give you
of
today
time
itself.
so
I
that
will
the
start
scope
it.
of work, sir.
I'll start it exactly same way. I'll write and give meeting on the media over here.
Yes, sir. Please give us that letter because of the fact that NIO is there. There are
Okay,
other
your
authorities are
consultant
there.
has come.
Sorry?
Your consultant.
We will bring them the moment you give us a letter. The scope itself is not
तुम्ही आता किती
accurate,
करता
sir.
फक्त युनिटी मॉलाचे ते
ना रे
करता
बाबा तू कन्फ्युज
ना कॉन्फ्युज हाव कन्फ्युज ना
No,
आम्ही
your
आज
letter
अनेकदा
is
clear
confusing us, no, sir.
माझ्या
ऐक.
हायेस्ट पॉइंट आमचा हा न्हू तयार लेखाचो 100 मीटर
तीच
आहा
करता,
तो.
तीच
तो
करता.
तलावली थंय आसा सातान रोड
खबर आहा ते सगळं.
मागीर एस्मेरल्डा आसा मागीर इलेक्ट्रिक डिपार्टमेंट ते आसा ते सोडून तुम्ही
Yes.
हांगा करता टू अकोमोडेट युनिटी मॉल अशें आमकां दिसता हे आमचो डिमांड नासलो
क्लॅरिफाय
Sir,
करता.
sir, I
It is
see.
as per the discussion to Honorable CM.
Yes, sir.
Right.
We are in
To
both
mark
in
the
agreement.
wetland.
Sir,
And
आम्ही
also
ready
mark.
आहा म्हटलं
Sir, we are both in agreement with the same
You
thing.
want a letter? I'll
We
give.
simply want a letter
I'll give you now.
showcasing what we
Are
had
we doing the
discussed.
survey today or not?
Sir, we have to have the letter and then only we can go ahead.
If I
Without
give
a
it
letter.
now, are you going to allow us now?
Yes,
Or you
please.
want to?
Yes, we'll call our experts. Just give us a letter reflecting all of this. Yes, thank you.
Yeah.
आमकां जर एक्सप्लेन करत जाल्यार
Yes. एक minute. Send it to Govind Road. And you can send it to Govind.
I'll give it to Govind only, no?
Yes,
I'll
yes.
send it to you. very technical. You will get this to fight in the court. Take now.
But without an amendment, you cannot bifurcate it like this. And if you are saying that we are ready to help you to fight that situation. No, let's not go into let the fresh notification happen, and that is exactly what we have sought. Fresh survey and notification, that's what we have sought. Yes, of course. Then re-notification. Certainly. Not difficult.
We are not in hurry. We are in hurry.
You take your
We
own
want you all
time.
to take your own sweet time, make sure that it's accurate this time, that's all.
We are not in hurry. We are in the
Thank you.
एक्झॅक्ट कित्या खातीर होल्ड उरला
Tani Amka, they have given us a letter saying that they will only demarcate 40/1 survey number and the zone of influence. Our difficulty is we had discussed it with this Honorable CM very clearly, asking for fresh inspection and demarcation of the entire wetland, that is Lake Amcho, any zone of influence, which the Honorable CM has agreed. This discussion, there seemed to be some sort of a confusion because the letter from the Department of Tourism came in very clearly saying that only survey number 40. So it did not showcase the entire scope of work that needs to be done, because NIO is also there, other authorities, wetland authorities also there. So there will be some sort of confusion. So that's what we have asked them is to clearly state it in the letter. What is the scope of demarcation that needs to be done and survey that.
एज पर तेम बाकीचो प्रायव्हेट लँडान ते सर्वे करपाक शकना म्हणून तांच्यांनी हे सांगला सो जे गव्हर्नमेंट लँड आहा तेजेच करूंक
ते
शकता
सगळे गव्हर्नमेंट लँड कांयच प्रायव्हेट ना. गव्हर्नमेंट लँड म्हणजे पब्लिक लँड.
मॅडम सगळे करतले ते वेटलँड्स
फुल फ्रेश आणि मागीर रिनोटिफिकेशन
झोन ऑफ इन्फ्लुएन्स
सर म्हाका ते एग्री जाल्यार
अग्री
न्यू
जाल्या
दिवपाक
लेटर आयज दितले ते
आता करता.
ओके येस थँक्यू
So
Not limited to survey number 40.
So,
Okay.
if you can simpliciter copy. See, sir, this is what we are seeking. Okay. A joint inspection of the entire Toyar Lake wetland. Okay. Which examine the entire together with zone of influence, clearly demarcating the channel of inflow and outflow, including subsurface.
It is all the same. No?
Including subsurface and underground water channels, because this was the deficiency in the previous ones. Only this portion, if you can copy, it should be enough. That's it. This portion.
See, any more thing to be added.
That's all. The only thing.
Take that copy now, sir. What is that?
just give him
Take that copy.
or take a photo.
Okay.
Including surface and subsurface.
Subsurface and underground water channels. Inflow and outflow.
No, first copy. Copy and the survey number.
Then the study shall identify the highest water mark and determine the zone of influence to be in accordance with the wetland conservation and management.
That's it.
Yes, sir. That's it. I'll just give this to you for ease of reference.
आता आमकां दिसता ते फक्त हेच दिसता फक्त वेटलँडाचें दिसता वेटलँडाचो हें आसा आनी मागीर बदामी आसा तो म्हाका दिसता तांचे कडेन आसा DDDC कडेन आसा ओके
सीएमान कोण कोण येतले आनी इन्स्पेक्शन करतले म्हटलेले सर
ते तेणी आतां कितें आसा ते येतले म्हटलें कोणाची ती नांवां घेवना बदामीचें नांव घेतली आनी हितून आसा फक्त तेंच्यांनी फक्त एकाच हें जें आसा वेटलँड एका आनी एकाच कळिल्लें कोणाक
वेटलँड बायोडायवर्सिटी बोर्ड लँड सर्वे
नायगोचे आपयल्ले
लँड सर्वेक धाडूंक ना
लँड सर्वे
कलेक्टराक धाडिल्ले ओके कलेक्टर धाडला मागीर CMाक धाडिल्ले आमी कॉपी ओके ते इतकेच
पूण तुमचो डिमांड आसलो फूल सर्वे करपाची
हय ते आमी आजून तेच आसा न्हू आमचो
We notification of them and us. Same thing is being done. They are finding some mistake in wording because they have got ID. But that correction we are doing.
कितलो टाइम लागतलो
In 10 minutes.
ताचे मागीर सर्वे
काय सर्वे करता आहे
एक दिसांक कितले टाइम लागतलो टोटल सर्वे करपाक
सर्वे 2-3 दिवस लागतले
पूण आतां सध्या होच सर्वे नंबराचे करता तांचो डिमांड आसा की
सगळे वेटलँडाचे पहिली सुद्धा वेटलँडच करताले
हा.
दे आर ट्रायंग टू फायंड अ क्लॅरिफिकेशन चड जाय म्हणटा
कितली टोटल लँड आसा लँड कितली आसा सर्वे करपाक
आमचो सर्वे जो गव्हर्मेंटाची लँड आसा 4,84,000
फूल सर्वे करता तुमी आतां
फूल करता
त्या पयलीं सर्वे करूं नाशिल्लो तुमी
सर्वे केला तांकां जाय ते जॉईंट सर्वे
जॉईंट
We are doing exactly what has been discussed in the front of the Honorable CM and what directions CM has given. Same thing is being done. Then clarification आमची लेटर तर सर एक फ्लोर ना ते that we are clarifying.
सर तुमचे ऑफिसर्स कोण आहा सध्या आता प्रेझेंट
GDC staff.
NIOचे कोण येयले NIOचे
NIOचे येऊन ना representative
तांकां रावल्या तुमी
सायंटिस्ट
जॉईन जातले ते जॉईन जातले
तेवूय जाय न्हू पुणा
येतले ते सगळ्यांक सांगलेले
ओके
येतले ओके थँक्यू
जे इन्स्पेक्शन आसतलें ते तुमच्या ज्या तेंचे मता प्रमाणे आसतलें म्हणजे जे तेणी मागल्याक पयले
एक कॉमन डिसिजन सीएमाच्या अंडर घेतलेले आसा कितें डायरेक्शन्स आसा त्या प्रमाणे आमी करता सिंपल आहे
तेणी सांगलें CMा फुडें आमकां सगळे टोटल सर्वे जाय
तेच कर चालू आहा तीच चालू टोटल सर्वे चालू आहा बिकॉज जे डिस्कशन करता आसतना स्टॅटस को ऑफ द सायट तेंचे फुडें जाय कितें डिसिजन घेतले फूल एज इट इज स्टॅटस को जाय ती आमी ट्राय करता तितून ते लेटराचे ते कितें मिस्टेक केला ते क्लॅरिफाय
सर एक मिनीट जो प्रोजेक्ट पळय येता पळय तेन्ना टोटल सर्वेन तुमचे कडेन सगळो प्लॅन
केल्ले आसा सर इट इज अ जॉयंट सर्वे आमचे सर्वे आमचे कडेन आसा इट इज अ जॉयंट सर्वे विथ विलेज
तेन्ना कितलो केल्लो आसलो तुमचे कडेन
सेम एरिया
सेम एरिया
नो चेंज इन एरिया
तेन्ना कितले दीस लागले सर तुमकां करपा ते फूल सर्वे करपाक टायम दीस कितले
कितले दिसांनी केल्ले सर्वे एक दिसान काय बेश्टी प्रमाणाचेर
2 दीस लागतली 7-8 दीस घेतलेले कशे कशे काडा मेळटले आनी कितें
मी